Okay, let's go.
Alright, I'm turning on the camera a little late, but we're about to get ready to pour this 30 by 60. Finna get ready to do the footers. I had about a half a yard the other day. I already put in the footer on that other side. Y'all stay tuned. Getting the footers pulled out. Yeah, this I grabbed that rebar then. Huh? Huh? Man, just pull, we can pull it. That little bit, man. You see that rake, man. You just want to look pretty with the damn rake. Alright, 45 minutes later, the second truck finally shows up. We're gonna go ahead and get this poured out. It should take another truck. You have to put the chutes on anyway. You're gonna have to get over there. You're gonna have to put the chutes on. Alright, we're getting ready to pour the third bay out. I'm gonna bull float this shit. Alright, I got it bull floated. They started floating the edges. Got the last truck to pull out. I guess that's about 7 yards. All right, y'all, we got it down. Ended up being about 29 yards. That one there already going off. I got it bull floated. Them boys got it down today good. I didn't have to do much of nothing today. All right, we're getting a machine on the first two pieces, first two bays. Look like it's getting a little wet at the third. Got an edge in it all the way around. Got OJ knocking out these steaks. Huh? He got some, hey, Cameron, he got some energy in him now.
Yeah, I get in a hurry. There ain't no lunches over there waiting on me.
Yes, sir.
I got us some lunch today.
All right. Getting the flow finished. It's the second pass now. Got about 2 more passes and we'll be done. But I'm about to take y'all to the job that I did next door. While they was finishing this, I've been over there cutting joints and pulling boards. Just show you how it turned out. Turn you back on in a second. All right, so it's been about what, 2 days since we poured this. Poured it Saturday, today Monday. So this is how she turned out, looking good. I cut the joints. I cut one off of here, one 11 foot off of that. I asked him, did he want me to cut one there? He told me no. And when we poured this, we put the joiner as he wanted it, which was every 10 foot. So I usually try to do it every 5 sometimes. So that's how she turned out. I'm finna clean up these edges here and get the rest of these boards taken out and we'll be done. All right, y'all, we about out of there. Got one more pass going back this way. All right, y'all, we got it done. Another one bites the dust.
Cowboy, you start picking up them too.
We'll get the boards tomorrow. I'm gonna come back and cut the joints in the morning. All right, that's it, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.